My dream. Everyone has his dream. Everyone 复合不定代词做主语，动词要用单数形式。They work hard to make their dream come true. I have a dream too. Each student should study at school and serve our country in the future. Should 应当，建议性的情态动词，后面要接动词原形。In the future 在未来。There are many children want to go to school, but they can't. 有很多孩子想上学，但他们却不能。Because they live in the mountains. They have no money to go to school. No money 相当于 they don't have any money. So, I want to be a teacher. Want to be 想成为。I want to have the poor children go out of the mountains. Go out of 从哪里出来。To make my dream come true. I will study harder. 我要更加努力的学习。I should read more books and help my classmates. This is my dream. 跟着小雅老师学英语，每天进步一点点。